Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use digital tickets on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the actual application. So basically whichever you have, go and download that from the application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Trainline. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have this home screen where you have the search actually, where you can go and search for anything. So any departures or arrival stations. You can see your tickets. So we can see example tickets also, and your account and everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find the digital ticket on Ticketline. So basically what you actually need to go, on Trainline, my bad. So what you need to do is open your application and sign into your account, of course, obviously. Then tap my events and find your order. So basically you can go just click on my tickets, which is the first thing here, as you can see, the second thing in the middle. As you can see, my tickets. Here you won't have your tickets, you can see the example ticket, but I don't have a ticket at the moment. And if you don't have one, you can click plan a trip or go to the search bar where you can go and search for anything and get your train tickets. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.